The sheer number of modernisation programmes across the UK's rail network means that there is a constant need for product innovation to get the job done. Rail Products UK has decades of frontline experience in the industry, and their technically advanced mobile elevated work platforms are a prime example of what can be developed. Peter Griffin joined the night shift at Stirling Station to find out more.
It's the middle of the night at Stirling Station. During the daytime, of course, there'll be dozens of trains coming through here every hour, but this time of night, it's very quiet. No trains coming through from Aberdeen, London or Inverness, and that's the time that the most important work can be done.
The electrification of Britain's rail network will bring the benefits of more reliable trains that are also cleaner and quieter. But it's a huge project, generating demand for ever more sophisticated and specialist equipment. Rail Products UK is one of the biggest manufacturers of road rail vehicles in the world and is the UK's market leader. Its innovative machines are key in driving forward the rail network's electrification upgrade.
Our main product is the access platform, the MUP as it's known in the industry. That machine replaced the industry's norm machine of a 300 kg basket. Now we have a 400 kg basket that does full 360 and it does 8.9 metres outreach and travels over the side. This is a first in the industry. Plus, there was another innovation we had, was a pantograph that records heights and staggers. This before had to be done with a tracked vehicle, which costs a lot of money. The biggest plus to this is cost. You could buy 3 machines of our machines to the typical truck-based vehicle that was there before. So the flexibility it gives to the industry is just unbelievable.
And that flexibility means greater efficiencies for the client.
The machine itself has got the integrated pantograph unit on the machine. Now we use that once we've run the wire to check the height and stagger of the wire. Now we've also got the added advantage of being able to take readings during that process, so we can actually record the data of the actual stagger of the wire height, which comes in useful at the end of the process. And we can pass that on to the client so he can keep the records so we don't have to come back and do things twice.
So with all this new technology, are the MUPs reliable?
Night and day, on this job especially. On the last job we were on with the older plant there, but used to cause problems on a nightly basis. I've been running 3 of my machines now for 2 years and haven't had an issue with one of them. They have been really reliable since they came on the rail network.
You can see the flexibility of these machines. There's now 2 crews working together there, up to 60 metres high. Those working platforms can spin 360 degrees. It means the work's done more efficiently, so they can move on quickly to the next working area.
Well, we now have multi-gauge machines. We have machines now that are working 2 and tri-gauge. We've now sold to most of the 28 European countries, as well as New Zealand and Australia. And we're actively now looking at America.
And what about the future for the rail sector?
Every year we spend £2 million in R&D. Now, for a small company like ourselves, that's a big part of our turnover. We've constantly changed our equipment, upgraded equipment, and brought in more innovations to the market. And that's the future. And that's the way we have to keep going. Battery power is the future. It's all about noise and pollution. But you can hear the night, in the background now you can hear the noise. People have to have this in city centres. Whereas now, we can bring a battery power machine in that's silent, so it can work at night without disturbing people. That's a big plus.
Which means there'll be fewer sleepless nights as the electrification of the rail network continues.